Hello, welcome to another AQA exam question. This is from a calculator paper in 2020. So we've got this pie chart here with an angle of 75 degrees for white and an angle of 165 degrees for blue. So this was from a two-part question about the colour of different football shirts for different teams. The question here is how many players actually answered white? So we know there's 600 players altogether, so that's the whole pie chart. We all know how many answered white. So pause your video and have a go. Okay, let's take a little look at this one then. So, there's a couple of ways you can do this. I'll show you my way, and then there is a way that from another work solution on this question. So if you do 600 divided by 360, that shows you what 1 degree is on this pie chart. So that's what 1 degree is on this pie chart. Now you do get a recurring decimal for that. So it's really important that you leave that on the screen and then you multiply it by the 75 for the angle for white, and that will give you an exact answer on your screen of 125. So this method here is quite useful for a lot of pie chart problems. If you take your data and divide it by the angle for that data, that will always tell you what 1 degree is on the pie chart. So this is kind of known as unitary method really. So that's really useful for a lot of the pie chart problems. You can do this also a different way. So the angle for the white was 75, and that's 75 out of the 360, which is the total angle for the pie chart. So you're proportionally working out how much of the pie chart you have for the white, and then if you multiply it by the 600 players, that once again gets you to 125.